Get some of that water. You better hydrate, brothers. That's good. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're going to be installing a new muffler and exhaust tips on my Volvo C30. Now, before we head over there, let's hear what the car is sounding like right now, and it's completely stock. Alright, and here's what it sounds like inside the car. Let's do a roll on. I just finished up at Muffler Tech. Took a really long time, a little bit more costly than I expected, but I love the results. Just with the muffler and the exhaust tips, this car sounds amazing. Alright, just got done at Muffler Tech. Brandon, go ahead, rev it up. I love how this thing sounds. So I'm gonna head back home and go to an open road and just kind of open up the car for you guys so you can hear what it sounds like. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do some pulls just so you guys can hear what it sounds like inside the car. So this is second gear. Pretty quiet still, but it sounds good. I'm actually just gonna go on the freeway now. I'll show you guys what it sounds like just cruising in 6th gear. It's very quiet, so I don't know if the mic will even pick it up, but it'll be a good comparison of before and after. So right now we are cruising at 60 miles per hour in 6th gear. I'm going uphill right now, so giving it a bit of gas. You can hear some drone. It's not too bad. If I get off the gas, it's about the same. If I put it in cruise control at 60, fairly quiet. Let me turn the AC off so you guys can hear me. So this is 60 miles per hour, cruise control, 6th gear. It's very, very quiet. Now, if I accelerate a bit, you can definitely hear it a bit more. Now we're just in traffic. Very slow, stop and go. Sounds so good. You guys can tell just by my smile. I'm so happy with the result. Thank you, Muffler Tech. And if you guys are liking this video, please do subscribe and hit the like button for me.
Choose your fighter. Lightning inspired. Fight.